Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're going to talk about ISR, Incremental Static Regeneration. So far we had SSG, SSR, and now we have ISR. ISR is something like SSG, but it gets revalidated after a set time. I've done another video in the Pages Directory of Next.js, but now I want to do it in App Directory. Let's head over to the project. So in here, I think it would be best to transform my Pages code into App Directory, so it will be more robust, better. It would be a better video. So we had getStaticProps that was in Pages directory, but now we are in App Directory. We have to move these files, move these lines into the component, and we no longer want to return any props as a product, but remember we wanted to do an ISR every 60 seconds. So, and we no longer wanted to get a props of this, but we know the product is an array of type of product. Mark this function as async. We fetch the data dummy JSON / products. We transformed it into JSON, and data.products is the available products that we pass into the product card. We here and we render. So if you open up this invalid source prop, oh, this is an error because we have this image. We have to add this. I'll be quick. We try to run the server again. Hit refresh, and it's not configured yet. I'm sorry for the interruptions. I'll be right back. Oh, the problem was I have to use two asterisks together. I forgot. Okay, now that it's fixed, so we have this product showcase that is loading image, a title, and a description and a price, with an of course obviously a button, add to cart button. But it's not ISR yet. The data here is server side SSR, but if you want to opt into ISR, we have to use something like dynamic. I'm sorry, revalidate every 60 seconds. Now this whole page cached within the time span of 60 seconds, okay? But every 60 seconds it develops another page, it creates another HTML that gets updated after 60 seconds. This has been ISR, and let's check out the build of this. Alternatively, oh, pops is on the is defined but never used. Okay, remove this. Alternatively, we can use something like caching, forcing dynamic, and use no store and revalidate next every 60 seconds. Now this request gets revalidated every 60 seconds. We can use, we can revalidate paths in Next.js. For example, if you're in a server-side rendering, and if you're in servers, like an API call, and for example, we have an API for product route.ts that is creating a new product. Okay, request, and for example, I don't need to get involved in the logic of this, but for example, logic behind creating a product, and after that I want to revalidate this page because we have created another product. We have added a new product to the list, so the list must be updated. We can use a function revalidatePath, and what path are we in? /products, after creating the product. So yeah, this has been ISR. Let's take a build, and we should see. Oh, come on. Idea, it's been created but never been used. There you go. Is there anything else that we haven't used? Yeah, in here we created a request that we haven't used. And no, nothing else. Nothing else, sugar. I should do a video where every time I miss a typo, I should do 10 or 20 push-ups. That would be... never mind. This has nothing to do with ISR, I'm sorry. But it's just my mind. And when we run this and hit network tab, we see no API calls has been made. Only the product's HTML has been rendered on server and sent it to the client. So this has been ISR. For the next video, we're going to cover CSR, which is client-side rendering, and we're going to develop that search behavior and the logic behind it. And yeah, nothing else. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.